Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Money Online. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money online using AI in just 7 steps. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche. This is the most important step in making money online, as it sets the foundation for your entire business. You can use AI-powered tools like Google Trends or Keyword Tool to find trending topics and keywords. These tools analyze millions of search queries and provide insights into what people are searching for online. For example, let's say you're interested in the health and wellness industry. You can use Google Trends to find out what people are searching for in this niche. Maybe you'll find that people are searching for plant-based diet plans or yoga for beginners. You can then use this information to create content, products, or services that cater to these specific needs. Pro tip: use long-tail keywords to target specific audiences and increase your chances of ranking higher in search engines. Instead of targeting a broad keyword like health and wellness, target a long-tail keyword like plant-based diet plans for weight loss. This will give you a higher chance of ranking on the first page of Google and attracting targeted traffic to your website. Step 2. Create valuable content. In Step 2, we're going to create valuable content around our chosen niche. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content. The goal is to create content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. You can use AI-powered content generators like Article Forge or Wordlift to generate high-quality content quickly and easily. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to create unique and engaging content. For example, let's say you want to create a blog post on the benefits of meditation. You can use Article Forge to generate a high-quality article that includes engaging headlines, informative paragraphs, and relevant keywords. Just remember to always proofread and edit your content to ensure it's accurate and engaging. Pro tip: use attention-grabbing headlines and optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. You can also use AI-powered content optimization tools like Yoast SEO to analyze your content and provide suggestions for improvement. Step 3. Build a website or blog. Now that we have our content, let's build a website or blog to showcase it. This will be the hub of your online business, where you'll drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. You can use AI-powered website builders like Wix or Squarespace to create a professional-looking website in no time. These tools provide pre-designed templates, drag-and-drop editors, and user-friendly interfaces that make it easy to create a website without any coding knowledge. You can choose a template, customize it, and start publishing your content. Pro tip: choose a website builder that offers SEO optimization tools to improve your website's visibility in search engines. You can also use AI-powered website analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. Step 4. Drive traffic to your website. In Step 4, we're going to drive traffic to our website using AI-powered advertising tools like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. These tools allow you to target specific audiences and keywords, ensuring that your ads are seen by people who are interested in your content. You can use AI-powered targeting options like custom audiences, lookalike audiences, or interests to target your ideal customer. You can also use AI-powered bidding strategies like cost per click or cost per 1,000 impressions to optimize your ad spend. For example, let's say you want to target people who are interested in plant-based diets. You can use Facebook ads to target people who have shown an interest in veganism or vegetarianism, or who have purchased plant-based products online. Pro tip: use retargeting ads to target users who have already visited your website and increase your chances of conversion. You can also use AI-powered ad optimization tools like AdEspresso to analyze your ad performance and provide suggestions for improvement. Step 5. Build an email list. In Step 5, we're going to build an email list of subscribers who are interested in our content. This will allow us to build a loyal audience and monetize our content through email marketing. You can use AI-powered email marketing tools like MailChimp or Constant Contact to create professional-looking email campaigns and automate email sequences. You can also use AI-powered opt-in forms like Opt-in Monster to increase your email open rates and conversion rates. For example, let's say you want to create a lead magnet like an ebook or a webinar to capture email addresses. You can use Opt-in Monster to create a pop-up form that offers the lead magnet in exchange for an email address. Pro tip: use AI-powered segmentation tools to divide your email list into targeted groups and increase the effectiveness of your email campaigns. You can also use AI-powered email personalization tools like Personalization.ai to personalize your email content and increase engagement. Step 6. Create and sell digital products. In Step 6, we're going to create and sell digital products related to our niche. This can include ebooks, courses, software products, or membership sites. You can use AI-powered tools like Printful or Sellfy to create and sell digital products quickly and easily. For example, let's say you want to create an ebook on plant-based cooking. You can use Printful to create a professional-looking ebook and sell it on your website. You can also use AI-powered upselling and cross-selling tools like One-Click Upsell to increase the average order value of your digital products. Pro tip: use AI-powered product recommendations to suggest related products to your customers and increase the average order value. You can also use AI-powered pricing optimization tools like Price Intelligently to optimize your product prices and increase revenue. Step 7. Automate and optimize. In Step 7, we're going to automate and optimize our online business using AI-powered automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT. These tools allow you to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time to focus on high-leverage activities. You can use AI-powered automation tools to automate tasks like email marketing, social media posting, or customer support. You can also use AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. Pro tip: use AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat or Chatfuel to automate customer support and increase customer engagement. You can also use AI-powered project management tools like Trello or Asana to automate tasks and increase productivity. That's it. With these 7 steps, you can start making money online using AI. Remember to always stay up to date with the latest AI trends and tools to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching Making Money Online, and we'll see you in the next video.